What's going on, you guys? My name is Scott. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to college. All right, guys, before we get started, make sure you come over and click subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. It helps the channel out so much. Let's talk about it. As you can see, I got my little boy with me today. Say what's up, Memphis.
Hi.
And we are at a college in South Georgia. And we have been in conversations with the director over the maintenance and grounds, and he invited us over to come and look at some things that they needed some help with. Got a whole bunch of dorms back here, 3-story dorms. The roofs need to be done, the exterior needs to be done, the gutters need to be cleaned out. We're at the chow hall right now. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's filthy. You can see the top, how it's still black. Concrete needs to be done. There's over 15 buildings at this one campus. And there's a good possibility that we're going to get every single one of them, and then there's another campus. But there is everything. I just want to show you a couple things that's wrong with this building. So when I tell you that there's some work that needs to be done, we got efflorescence, we got all kinds of crud and algae and mildew. Concrete has been done by maintenance. It can be touched up, but there's a lot of areas that need to be really cleaned. You can see where they stopped, where we would have to continue. I mean, these are old buildings, guys, but we got to wash all this up here over the ledge. There's rust removal, and when I say that we got rust removal that we've got to do, I'll show it to you here in a second. Rust removal, hard water stains, things like that we got to get off. We got concrete to clean, we got railings to clean, I mean, exterior windows to clean. And I'm just excited, you guys. So I'm going to put together a professional bid. I will tell you something, and I recommend you doing this. This is what I have learned, because I have quoted some big jobs. I sent over too much information at one time. The human brain can only process a few things at one time. So when you send over a whole bunch of things with a big price tag on it, it makes people panic. That's just what I've learned so far. So what I did is I talked to the grounds maintenance supervisor, and I said, look, let's just focus on this one building. You can see it needs a lot of work. This is the actual chow hall of the college, so a lot of kids are going to attend here. I mean, you can see the concrete needs work. All the white paint needs work. I mean, the whole building needs work. This is where all the students, the teachers, everybody comes and they eat lunch, and it's pretty much open 7 days a week. Let's focus on this building. Let's make it right. Let's earn your business. And then we'll focus on these other buildings. And he was all about that, and he thought that that would fly. So I am going to have workers' comp insurance on this, so I'm going to have to figure that part out. I know I'd made a video before on how it was hard for me to get workers' comp because of my injuries I had in the past, and it was very expensive. But I have found out that you can get workers' comp insurance per job. So that's what I'm going to check on. And if we can get this, man, this is going to put us in a position for definite success, and I cannot wait. I got my little boy with me right here. This is Memphis. He's going to be taking over my business one day, and he's going to rock and roll with it. He's 6 years old, and he already wants to come to work with his daddy, man. I just think it's awesome. So while I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and quote every building that needs to be done, which is every building. So I'm going to get an idea of what I would charge per building. That way I don't have to drive back over here and re-quote it and everything like that. I know what needs to be done, and this is going to be a huge undertaking for this company. But if we can land this job, which I feel like we probably will after talking with the maintenance supervisor, this is going to put us at a whole new level, guys. I'm just excited. As you can see behind me, guys, these are the dorms. 3 stories tall, lots of glass. The roof needs to be done, the walls need to be done, gutters need to be cleaned, sidewalks need to be cleaned. It comes all the way over here, more dorms. I mean, guys, this is the opportunity that we have been praying for this business, man, and I cannot wait. But at the same time, I don't want to get too excited because they haven't told me yes yet, but I feel very, very good about it after talking with the maintenance supervisor. So we will see what happens. Got my boy Trent with me today too. We ain't working today, so we quoting. He's aggravated because this is a college campus and everything's like roundabouts and stuff, and he got lost. He had to part way over here with the van. It's all right. Hey, it's a part of it. You guys ever had anything like this? If you did, was it a nightmare, or did it put you where you needed to be as far as how you want your business to be, the size of it, how much you want your business to grow? Let me know in the comments below, guys. I'm excited. I don't know if you're excited, but I'm excited. Are you excited, Memphis?
Yes.
All right, we're excited. Appreciate it, you guys. God bless.